how you can log in to your Amazon Prime account. Now, to do that, first, all you need to do is open up your web browser, the one that you usually use, and then search for Amazon Prime. After you do that, you can see on the top, you'll get the Amazon Prime link. You can directly go to prime.video.com, and then this page will load up right here. So what you can do is you can just go right here and click on Prime Video Members Sign In. After you click on Sign In, your sign in page should open up, and make sure that your account details is correct. My account is the same with Amazon account, so just click on continue and then hit your password. After you do that, you'll get logged in to your Amazon account. So you can see the account that I use is the same as the one with my Amazon Prime. So that is how you log into your Amazon Prime account, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon below so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.